Hello students. In this module we will learn how to use an encyclopedia. Remember in part 1 we also studied about an encyclopedia. So let's quickly recollect what we had learned in our previous video. What is an encyclopedia? An encyclopedia is a useful resource in a form of thick bound book which gives us information on a wide range of topics. We can use an encyclopedia as an effective tool to increase our knowledge. It is a wonderful book that gives facts about famous people, places, and things. Now, how is an encyclopedia organized? Children, all the topics covered in an encyclopedia are arranged in an alphabetical order, A to Z. Now, can you think of another book where all the contents are arranged in alphabetical order? Yes, you guessed it right. It's a dictionary. Each volume in an encyclopedia set contains a different letter. The letters are shown on the spine of the encyclopedia the way you see in this picture. Now let's make this lesson a little more exciting. Yes, ready? And I'm sure you must be watching what is going on. You must be thinking that ma'am is going to show you a documentary on Mickey Mouse and a feature on Mickey Mouse. But wait. It's not about Mickey Mouse, it is about something else. Oh, on the life of dinosaurs. Now, students, you must be thinking, what is a documentary? Yes, what is a documentary? So, documentary is a short film or a feature on any content, on any subject, on any topic. And to make this video interesting, I have added a cropped documentary for you. I'm sure you must be a little excited looking at this picture, aren't you? So students, first watch this cropped documentary on dinosaur. And just to remind you, a documentary is a program that provides factual report on any particular subject. Students, when I watched the movie Jurassic Park, which was all about dinosaurs, I was so inquisitive to know everything about dinosaurs. That was the first time I made a meaningful use of an encyclopedia. It was given to me as a gift from my nanny. Now let us take this very topic, that is the dinosaurs, as an example to see how we can use an encyclopedia. We already know that an encyclopedia covers a wide range of topics. So the easiest way to find an article or a feature or information is to see the table of contents the way you see a picture here. Flip on the referred pages and find out anything and everything you want to know. As in, you must have seen the highlighted dinosaur portion on page 72. Now flip on to the referred page from the table of contents, and there you are with the information on dinosaurs. And now you can just find all the information related to dinosaurs you could ever think of. So children, sky is the limit to knowledge. Explore as much as you can, everything you wanted to ever know about. With this wonderful book, A Little Genie in Your Hands. And consider giving or gifting an encyclopedia to your friend on his next birthday. Exciting, isn't it?